Red light has a wavelength of 5.9 times 10 to the negative 7th meters. What is the frequency of red light? So as soon as I see wavelength and frequency, there's only one equation it can be. As soon as I see wavelength and frequency, it's this guy. V equals F lambda. Okay? So that's what I'm going to write down. I'm going to write V equals F lambda down. So now I just got to plug in what the numbers are. So it gives me that I want to solve for the frequency. It says what's the frequency of the red light. It gives me the wavelength, 5.9 times 10 to the negative 7th. But it doesn't tell me the velocity. It doesn't tell me how fast it goes. Until I remember that all light travels at the same speed. And there it is, 3.0 times 10 to the 8th. So you do know how fast it's going. It's just going to be something you have to remind yourself that it's there. Okay? You don't have to memorize it. I'm going to give it to you. But you have to remind yourself that it's there. So the velocity is 3 times 10 to the 8th. So all I have to do is divide both sides by 5.9 times 10 to the negative 7th. So when I do that, I put everything in parentheses. So I start parentheses 3 times 10 power 8 in parentheses divided by start parentheses 5.9 times 10 power 7 negative in parentheses equals. There's my answer. So 5.08 times 10 to the 14th hertz. It's almost always going to be a large number, so just prepare yourself for that. There's nothing wrong about it or weird about it. It's just large is all.